In this video, we will discuss about the different arithmetic operators. Using arithmetic operators, we can perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Python understands a variety of math symbols. Here are a few of them. Addition. It is used to add two or more values together. Subtraction. It is used to subtract the second value from the first value. Multiplication. It is used to find the product of two or more values together. Division. It is used to find the quotient when first operand is divided by the second. Modulus. It is used to find the remainder when first operand is divided by the second. Exponentiation. It is used to raise the first operand to power of second. We also have operator precedence for all the operations that we perform. First operator precedence is the parentheses. Means first everything present in parenthesis will be calculated before others. Second operator precedence is the exponentiation. Third operator precedence is the unary operators. Fourth operator precedence is the multiplication, division, floor, and modulus. All of them have same precedence. Fifth operator precedence is the addition and subtraction. All of them have same precedence. From 6 till 8 we have bitwise operators including bitwise AND, bitwise XOR, and bitwise OR. Next we have comparison operators, identify and membership operators. All three have same precedence. From 10 till 12 we have logical operators including logical NOT, logical AND logical OR. Let's test the arithmetic operators using a program. Two integer variables are initialized as variable A with value as 10 and variable B with a value of 4. Print statements are added for operation between these integer variables for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mod, and exponential. When executed, first print statement adds both the values 10 and 4 and prints the value as 14. Second print statement subtracts 4 from 10 and prints the value as 6. Third print statement multiplies both the values 10 and 4 together and prints the values as 40. Fourth print statement divides 10 by 4 and prints the quotient value as 2.5. Fifth print statement returns the mod or the remainder after dividing 10 by 4, which is 2. Sixth print statement returns the exponential where 10 is multiplied itself 4 times. Means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. It returns 10k as output. There is also operator precedence which we need to take into considerations. In the seventh print statement, if we go by left order, then 5 will be added to 5 and then multiplied by 2, which will return 20. However, If we go with the operator precedence, then first parenthesis is evaluated, which evaluates the value to be 5. Then it is multiplied by 2, which returns 10, and finally adds 5 to it. So the final output will be 15. So, these are the different ways in which we can perform arithmetic operations in Python.